Good day, this is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 404-379-7352 or shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. I want to show you how to remove the removable dovetail on this 10-foot landscaper's body. Again, 10 feet of working flat floor, 4-foot dovetail, 5-foot gate. It's a dump body. Let's take a look. First, we're going to take and release the safety chain. And while I do this, I'll go ahead and share with you that the electrical connection is up underneath the side of it to undo the back portion, because you have two sets of lights. One set of light works the actual body. The second set of light works with the dump trailer. So now we got a nice release on here, a couple more turns, and we'll be able to release the safety pins. This is a true time test on it. And not too bad so far. After we release that load binder, pull the safety pin at the bottom, take our safety pin at the top. We're going to just do the bottom pin pull, and that way, because this has got the stress on it from before. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and take this off. We've got everything set up. I'll show you what we got going again. We've removed the bottom chain restraint. We've taken out and removed our pin for the bottom latch, and now we have our upper pin still in position. So as we dump the body, we're going to let the vehicle be pushed forward a little bit. We're going to be in the cab, resting in neutral, so it can push us forward a little bit. That way, when it comes down, again, we have just a certain amount of linear space we got to accommodate for. So come on, let's go ahead and see. We're going to go ahead and get in the cab. We're in neutral. And we're simply just going to go ahead and raise the dump. Now, don't be excited. It does take a little bit of time for the dump to raise up, people. This is an electric dump hoist. So we're going to video back through that so you can see as it unloads. You wouldn't mind taking a look at that as it comes out. And there we are again. As you can tell, we've got our separation space. We've taken off the pressure all the way through our dog ears. We're now drifted away from the unit, and it can be easily taken care of by removing the pin. And removing this cotter pin, pull it out, we're good to go. So what I want to do is go ahead and pull back up again so you can see again real-time operation of the reload process. When we're back up, you're going to see a little bit of shift to the body. I'm going to come back and reset our main safety pin here. You're right there. Now I've got it nice and set and pushed it into there. As you can tell, it's going to be easy to set our main top pin. Safety first. Slide in our retention pin. Then we're going to lower the dump body down. We're going to stay in neutral again to allow it to have that shrinkage as before. We don't want to scar the ground where you're at. So I'm going to check this side. Coming around our other side. Good set there. I need to roll forward just a little bit as we get set. And I'm going to raise it up as I drift forward. Now, as you can tell, what I did was I made sure that the vehicle rolled forward about 6 inches. The rest of this is going to be lowering down to put down the safety pin. I'm rechecking my dog tags just to make sure, because I'm doing this solo. You may have a crew with you, you may be solo. And again, on both sides, we're safe and secure. Again, this is Mike Olden. I look forward to working with you on your next truck. You can reach me at 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. Thank you.